Eclipse is a 2D object which you can use to get a lot of different shapes. So when we drag it down into the scene tree in the preview window here, you can see how it looks like a cylinder or a ring. Up in the Eclipse editor, our first option here is use LOD, which we can enable or disable. We also have corners. We can decrease the number down to 3 and it makes a triangle. The default number is 150. Inner radius 1 will adjust the inner radius on the X size. The inner radius 2 will adjust the inner radius on the Y variable. There's also an outer radius 1, which will adjust the outer radius on the X, and the outer radius 2, which will adjust the outer radius on the Y. There's a whole offset X, so if we increase this or decrease this, this will move the hole either left or right. There's also a whole offset Y. When you increase this or decrease it, it will move that hole either up or down. And also a whole offset Z, which will move the hole forward or backwards. Now there's also a rotation. So when you rotate it here, using this setting, you won't notice much at first, but until you come down and adjust the angle and then use the rotation, that's when you'll notice the rotation of it. So you can use these variables to get a lot of different shapes out of the Eclipse itself.